Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change icon for your Roblox game. So firstly, after opening our browser, we have to head to the search panel and type Roblox. Then click on the Google search button. Now from here, we'll head to the official Roblox website. Now after the website loads properly, we have to make sure that we are logged in with our ID, then go to the Create tab. Now from here we have to go to Creations. Now you have to click the game that you want to add a new icon into. So I'll click on just this game. After it loads, from the left hand side of your screen below Configure, there will be a button called Places. Just click on it. Now click on the Places button in here. Now again, from the left hand side under the test game, you will see the icon setting. Now you can add an image in here. In order to change it, just click on the change button and select the image that you want to add, then click on open. After it is done, click on save changes. So after you upload your new icon, it will go under verification by the Roblox authorities, and it will be visible to everyone after they have done moderating. So this is how you can change icon for your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.